Hey guys, it's getting a little chilly here, so I had to whew, put on some little warmer clothing. But anyways, hey guys, it's me and Glam Goat. Glam, and the little pink princess dragon. Hello, everybody. How you doing? And guys, what are we talking about today? Boxy Charm, Boxy. That's his favorite. We're doing last month, January 2020 review. Okay, very good. So, if you guys will just kind of go take a seat, I will get the box. All right, and here we are. It's the last month's January box. And here's the goods. Okay, so I didn't really get a chance to use anything in here, and some of these things I'm not going to use. This is a micro exfoliator from Skin and Truffles. Now let me tell you what. One of the best toners I ever used came from this brand. It was so expensive, there's no way. Made in Italy. It says right on the bottle, made in Italy. So even the packaging is the stuff. And, oh no, she's sealed. Yeah, I was thinking maybe there was a safety seal on the inside, but the whole outer thing is sealed. Anyways, this is going to go in our, I'm not exactly where this is going to go. Once I can see again, I plan on taking a lot of this boxy stuff to Boxy Charm Beauties and seeing if I can get some of my cash back so that, I can buy some cool stuff that I want. So, not sure if this is going to go in the giveaway basket or, I don't know. I may see if I can sell that. What else is in here? Okay, this is probably going to go in the giveaway basket. This is Quiveen, Qveen. I know this light is, it's telephone and a, ceiling light, so it is what it is. Here we go. This is an interesting shade. I think it's a little dark for me, like it would make my lips darker than my skin. I'm not sure about how, I don't know. At any rate, I think I already have a few similar shades in other brands. So this is definitely going in the giveaway because I have like so many lips that I haven't even gotten to yet, and I'm trying real hard to use up some of them. So like, oh, let's keep some more new ones. No, let's give away. Give away. Okay, I have a really hard time giving away or even selling or anything like masks and moisturizers. This is Avant, A-V-A-N-T, Avant. This is a sleeping mask. I got the moisturizer one month, and this last month I got the sleeping mask. I seriously enjoy a sleeping mask. And this is supposed to be some pricey stuff, which when we get into our premium, we'll talk about, supposed to be some pricey stuff kind of things. But I'm hoping that it's really quality because I love a good overnight mask. Oh, excuse me. It's cold and I work, and it just, when it's cold and I've been working all day, I do like physical labor, I just get tired. I sleep good at night, folks. I sleep good at night. So anyways, this puppy, I want to try out and do some reviews on. And I wish I would have. This is one of the problems is I put these boxes up and then I forget to like check and see what's in them. And this is why we need this. Boxy Charm. Do not forget. Just a card. Just, a card. That's it. Just a card. Hello. Like, represent, dude. Represent. A card. Y'all need to, every time you see Boxy Charm, to comment on in any of the social media. Send them an email, whatever. I don't know. If you like the email thing over getting a card, then hey, that's up to you. But if you want to see the cards in the boxes, we need to make some noise. Because otherwise, I have a feeling they're going to go Ipsy on us. I hate that. Because Ipsy does that. They don't send you the card. But you can get like they send you your products before they even come. So you know what your products are going to be. But you don't have the prices or anything. And, well, they did put the prices. I mean, the card is basically the same as what's in the email. But, like for me, at home, I don't get a signal. So I can't see. I can't get it. I would have to copy it all down. Hello. That's the whole point of just send me a doggone card. Hey guys, next month, like a couple of weeks, I'll be able to see. Okay, this I'm really excited about. Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn. And she came in full packaging. Thank you, Ace Beauty. Keep in mind, the packaging thing, this is not done by Boxy Charm. The black fuzzy paper, fuzzy stuff. Where is it? I actually use it for wiping my brushes on, so this one's dirty. But this is what Boxy Charm provides. Okay? This was provided by Ace Beauty. Okay? They just sent box loads of this, and then Boxy Charm picked it up. They pay people to do the packaging and okay, put 5 things in this box. They don't stop and put them in something. They don't stop and take safety seals off. They don't put safety seals on. They just pull it out of the box that got shipped to the Boxy Charm warehouse and they put it in the Boxy Charm box. Hello. So, all those safety seals and packaging like this. And this comes in a really nice box. And where is she made at? Does she say? Now, see, I'm starting to, pay attention now to where these things are made at. Distributed Ace Beauty, Texas. Made in PRC. So, yeah. She's, Republic of China. I think you're going to find almost every eyeshadow palette is going to be made in China. So, I don't know why anybody's shocked about the storybook, because, yeah, take a look at all the ones you have now. She is beautiful. She truly is. And she has a mirror and the plastic. This is really... This is a beautiful, beautiful thing. And I'm going to be getting into her. It looks more like a fall time thing. But I really like these first 3 colors here. Can you see that? Yeah, these first 3 shades right here are just calling my name. This, I believe, is even a shimmer. And this icy blue. I probably wouldn't have bought this because there are 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 shades that I may never ever touch. The really dark ones. And look at my eyes. I just don't do really dark. Like I'll put on something that's whatever, and then I'll just go like a shade lighter and use that to blend. But seriously, I'm so glad, plus we had choices, and I chose this palette. The pink one is beautiful too, the other one, but I already have all those shades, so that's why I went with this one. Okay, so that was the palette. The ganache, which basically means exfoliator. Sleeping mask. Ah, the lipstick. So I guess there's one more thing in here that we didn't see, and that is the Pretty Vulgar, which I gotta tell you, I don't know. Does that look the same? All right, come on, booger. Does this and this look the same to you? Because the color that I told them that matched me was the one that was like one lighter than this. But it's hard to tell. I mean, they have different names, so maybe this is it. I don't know. And I'll be able to use it anyways. Even if it's a little dark, I'll just wait till this summer. Pretty Vulgar. So far, I have not been real impressed with their products. But, there's not a whole lot of products, manufacturers that I am in love with the entire line. I mean, some of them I really like their eyeshadow. I don't like their blush. I really like their, well, I don't think there's anyone that I don't like their highlighter. Highlighter, bring it. But there's always like one or two things in the line that I'm not really impressed with. So, maybe this is the thing that's going to make me go, hey, Pretty Vulgar, yeah. I don't know. We'll have to wait until I get a little bit darker so that, I'm not thinking of using this for actual foundation. And see how she goes. So, what did you guys think? What did you get in your box last month? Have you been using your things? And, what did you think? Are they working better? Do you have things that, like, sometimes I'll get something and, like this, and I'll be, oh, Pretty Vulgar. Gee, thanks. But then I'll use it and I'll be like, whoa, that was really good. So, if you had anything like that happen lately, let me know. Comment below. I will have a link for Boxy Charm and Carity listed in the description box, along with my email, my Instagram. Hey, if you want to follow me on Instagram, I'm trying to figure out how to do some things on Instagram. It's starting to get fun in there, I don't have enough subscribers to do notifications on YouTube, but I can still do stuff on Instagram. So, subscribe to the channel. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for following this journey. I didn't do my eyebrows today, whatever. This was just kind of one of those days, It's one of those days. But, like I said, thank you so much. And y'all know I'm going to be going in next Friday, the 21st of February. Cataract surgery. They're going to, basically dissect my eyeball. I know. And they don't even put you to sleep for that, right? So, yeah. Oh. But, thank you for putting up with my blindness all this time. And hopefully when I can make lists, we can do some fun stuff like, some really better reviews, because I'll be able to actually make a list. Please. Yes, please subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Hey, we have goats. We have dragons. We have the crazy lady. Go to Instagram and you might see some horses and some goats too. And we have makeup. We just have fun. So guys, like us. Glam Goat really wants you to like him. You know, he's a little self-conscious, you know, he wants to see that thumbs up button. Of course, maybe you don't like goats, you know. If you don't like goats, hit the thumbs down button. Or, you know, I don't think they have a sideways button, but you know, if you don't know what to do, just hit the thumbs up. Let me know. Comment below. How's your Boxy Charm? I have the premium box, and we're gonna do some real videos on that. I have some ideas, and I've been asking questions and observing, and there's the one product in particular, the Gold Leaf Moisturizer. We're gonna have a little discussion about that. So until the next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and I hope you wake up dancing, wake up dancing, wake up dancing every single day. Bye-bye.